Hello and welcome to another episode of Kuma's Kitchen, and cheers. Today we've got Banana Colada. Yeah, I like pina colada, and I was thinking, how can we change that up a bit? How about with a banana? Banana Colada. I mean, I guess think the peanut in pina colada comes from pineapple. Not 100% sure on that, so don't quote me on it, but I've always thought it did. So, Banana Colada. A refreshing summer drink, because it's getting hot here right now. I mean, it's starting to build up into summer now, so you want to get some nice cool and chilled into you, and this is going to hit the spot. Also, got a new toy in the kitchen, so stick around. Let's head on into the kitchen and see how to make this and check out the new toy. Now to make this drink, well, 4 ingredients. Can't even count. Anyway, so what do we got across the front here? I got 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream. That's basically like one of these little super cup things of ice cream, right? So about 3 scoops. And I gotta go quick because it's starting to melt already. It's warm in here. All right, we got a 1/4 cup of rum. That's dark rum, and that is my favorite Myers rum. Good dark stuff. I've got 1/2 cup of coconut milk and 1 banana, and they're all gonna go in here into my new mixer. Yes, I was sent this. It's called a Joyami. It does more than just mix, but today we're just gonna use it as a mixer. It actually cooks and stuff. Got all these settings here. Jam, 30 minutes. Smoothie, 45 seconds. That's what we're gonna use. What else we got here? Oh, there we go. Fruit and vegetable juice. Oh, okay, 2 minutes. All right. Smooth soup. A bunch of chunky soup. Well, there's all kinds of things. But we're gonna get going with the smoothie. So I got that set on the smoothie. So one thing I find is weird. It goes the other way from where I think it should. I think it should go this way. It goes this way. But yeah, it's something I can get used to. Hey, it's a pretty skookum looking blender. All right, so I'm gonna throw the banana in there. Let me just kind of break that up a little bit, so a couple pieces in there. Gonna toss in that coconut milk. Toss in the rum. The ice cream. So it's already ice cream soup, but you know, ice cream. Okay. And all we do now, put this on. See, I'm getting used to it already. It goes this way. All right, smoothie, go. There we go. Well, that was quite interesting. What I did was I did a couple of pulses, and then at last, so like 15 seconds, just went full out smoothie. All right, well, it's looking good. Pour that in the glass. Oh yeah, Banana Colada. Oh wow. How close could that be? I mean, I got a couple of drops left. Look at this. Oh. Don't think I've ever gotten that lucky with a glass. All right, so let's try something. Oh yeah, that's good. Get some of that in you. All right, well, if you like this recipe, you know what to do. Check around for more. Here, there's a lot of original Kevin Riley recipes here on the Kuma's Kitchen YouTube channel. Make sure that you are subscribed, that you've clicked that notification bell so that you never miss out on another recipe coming up. And now go make this, this is what they call a smoothie because it's a smoothie machine, colada, and make cooking fun again, or drinking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.